another big game on the horizon. Game last season, we need 3-1. Also a tough opposition, of course. More history in the league, winning the league. Send your preparations in the tier from more side.
There's all more history. Can't more history there. No one has anti-Kotoko. And to go into this game, yeah, call 2 points. And any bread, you could game winners from make a wanga sabaya where say any brand they bought African game ambassador. Say any brain any boys say still that's woman aside the Kwaku Shelley 1 cities phone. Yeah, and quandary to be a corner Kwaku book game say the World Cup final. And you say after the game, it didn't create mass anti-Kotoko.
Supporters near worried, they said Bribiano, yes, no matter. Omonim se Kotoko, so there it's all about goals. Moankasa personally, more you're worried. Say this season goals no anti member.
You worried pa and I don't cry Ankasa Frey hon Kasa hon coaches in Kobe no yawe a Kasa hon for goals so I say a concede. You know where you concede be a second half after say a share no mabetika. Last season and Tissa, last season a show back native maintain and she be an can wide one goal nana upon but this season and Tissa Tia Kasa home. You say if you a channel corner, so I didn't NCB, a show back what, Nasi and she being Kama. Go to Ankasa, I see a Kasa and consider defenders and Asha see on meeting and goalkeepers in so Casamo, midfielders a Casa, strikers and so Casasomo now on your back when there's almost it's almost shimmy in a shard until now they are Shimu.
Until Ochina, interested. Win Mebana.
Yeah, of course. It's not the win the Mass Anti-Kotoko. We are going to win the game tomorrow.